everyone, Seth coming to you from the Kenwood Training Department. Today we've got the new Kenwood DMX125BT. This is a short chassis digital multimedia receiver that also features USB screen mirroring for Android devices. Let's first take a look and see what's inside of the box, and then we'll go through some of the feature highlights. What you will notice here is the new short chassis mounting depth of the DMX125BT. As compared to a traditional double DIN that has a mounting depth of 6 to 7 inches, the DMX125BT has a mounting depth of just under 3 inches, providing for the utmost in installation flexibility and vehicle fitment options. Now, let's take a look at what else comes inside the box. Taking a look inside of the box, first you'll see the wiring and power harnesses, separated by your power, ground, and remote trigger connections, and then your speaker wire connections. Then you'll see the Bluetooth microphone. The Bluetooth microphone includes a mounting clip to mount onto a headliner or similar area, or 3M mounting tape. Then you've got the receiver itself. Next will be the included mounting cage and trim bezel. And then you've got the mounting screws. If you're going to be using a dash kit, you would use these screws to mount the dash kit to the receiver itself. And then you've got the paperwork, the Kenwood Quick Start Guide, as well as the Kenwood warranty card, as the Kenwood DMX125BT does include a 1-year warranty. Now, let's take a look at the back side of the receiver. First, you'll see the parking switch wire. Then, you'll see the steering wheel remote input wire to be used with a third-party steering wheel remote interface. Below that is the reverse wire. This would be connected to a vehicle's reverse trigger when used with a reverse camera to activate the reverse camera screen. Below that is the microphone input for the Bluetooth microphone. And then you'll have 3 steering wheel remote input wires for non-CAN bus vehicles that support this type of steering wheel functionality. You'll see the USB input on the side there, and then you'll see the wiring power harness input. On the right side at the top, you'll see the subwoofer pre-out, and then down below you'll see both the rear and front pre-outs. Next to that are your AV inputs, as well as your video input. Then you'll have the video output and the camera input for a rear view camera. And lastly, you'll see the AM/FM antenna input. Now, let's take a look at the front side of the receiver. First is the menu button. Press this to access the menu functions. Press and hold this button to turn the power off. While off, press again to turn the power back to on. Below that is the audio button. Press this to access the audio functions. Below that is the volume up and volume down buttons. And at the bottom is the mute button. Press this to mute the volume. Press and hold this button to turn the display off. This will receive the remote control sensor signal from the optional Kenwood KNA-RCDV331 remote control.